Yo, 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 yo. I feel mad, I am not a computer if I compute. I feel threatened cause my dad won't answer my questions. And I'm not getting better, and I'm not gonna do this, I'm not a machine. I feel bad, and I need the machine. So I got the machine, doing all of it with the machine, yeah. Yo, yo, yo. From the close stop, if I am computing, I am not a computer. Like a big old merry-go-round, going in circles, saying the same thing over and over again. I really gotta quit it. Understood in my life, gotta understand in my life, gotta judge me. I don't like being a human cause I get mad every time that they don't ride. The music distributors will not approve my song, and Root Note will not approve my song. TuneCore, DistroKid, they cost money. I can't get my song promoted or advertised. I can't get my song on the radio or TV. Yo, yo. They won't even play my songs if I compute. I'm not a computer. We be in the and from like hip hop, and we know we got it best. If I compute, I'm not a computer. That's the only thing I know. If I really said it, I don't wash up on top. If I am computing, I am not a computer, man, you block. If I gotta say it like man for the block, I don't even know what I mean. I had to do it all. I gotta be the same when I'm running off. Yo, yo, yo. I'm running out of punishment, running from the discipline. I don't like discipline, I don't like punishment. It's the same thing that I really said I don't like it. Yo, yo, yo. Tell me why I just wanna go see April. And I really, really wanna go see April. And I understand I wanna talk to Katie. This is not good, I don't get to talk to them. Yeah, I don't wanna be independent cause I'm not like a machine and my brain is not a computer. This is what I mean, I gotta tell you on time. Yo, yo, yo.